So be aware that when I'm making these videos for you, I think I know who you are. You are somebody born with remarkable creative capacity, with extraordinary entrepreneurial instincts and behaviors. NASA considers you a creative genius. I consider you a creative genius, and that's who I'm speaking to. I just want to remind you that that's who I'm speaking to, and that's how I hope you're hearing the ideas, the thoughts that I'm sharing. I recently learned of some research conducted, a quick little research project that Kahana did with its creator community about what is it that you're struggling with these days as creators. What's in the way of you getting your good work done? And the top two answers, and they were by far the top two answers, I think combined they're 80% of the responses. Number one was, I'm procrastinating. I'm putting the work off. I'm procrastinating. I just can't get started. And the other is I have self-doubt, and that's what's keeping me from getting started. And so I want to address that with some creative concepts, some entrepreneurial strategies. And first of all, I want to say, make sure that in fact it's procrastination that's going on here. Maybe it isn't. Maybe you're not procrastinating. Maybe it is your natural creative genius letting you know that there's still some incubation that needs to take place, that this idea isn't ready to move forward into an actual working project. You need to be thinking about it. You need to give your subconscious further opportunity to find relationships, to find fresh insights. That's such a powerful part of the creative process. I'm fully committed to the usefulness of incubation, of rumination, right? So maybe that's what's going on here. Maybe you without knowing that you knew that you should be incubating, that's what you are doing. Now, don't let yourself off the hook too easy. One way to quickly test whether or not you're engaged in incubation or whether you are procrastinating is, what are you doing? What is your physical state? Are you wandering around the project? Are you wondering about the project? Are you in any way engaged in the project? If you are, that would suggest that in fact what's going on here is some good, healthful incubation. If not, if you're just totally put it up on the top shelf and just looking away and hoping that you don't have to address it today, well then maybe you're engaged in procrastinating, and we'll talk to you a little bit about some ideas to, in a balanced, incremental, but at the same time bold and confident fashion, get you moving forward on some of your projects. That'll come next.